Hey there, decor lovers. Are you ready to turn your outdoor space into an Easter wonderland that'll have your neighbors stopping in their tracks? Whether you're looking for Easter yard decor that's bold and beautiful or Easter porch decorations that scream spring, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into 10 jaw-dropping outdoor Easter decor ideas that are easy to pull off and perfect for making your home the talk of the town. So, grab a cup of coffee and let's get decorating. Imagine stepping outside to a front yard bursting with Easter magic. Cheerful bunnies, pastel eggs, and bright carrot steaks lining your walkway. Your guests can't help but smile as they follow this festive path straight to your door. Sounds dreamy, right? Well, you can make it happen in minutes. Easter yard steaks are one of the easiest ways to add instant curb appeal without spending a fortune. They bring that whimsical, storybook feel that makes your home stand out in the neighborhood. Whether you go for classic pastel bunnies, fun polka dot eggs, or even rustic wooden carrots, the key is mixing heights, colors, and styles for a designer-worthy display. Pro tip: try placing stakes along your driveway or weaving them into your garden bed for a more natural, enchanting look. And for a truly eye-catching effect, use solar-powered LED stakes that glow softly at night, creating a magical Easter ambiance even after sunset. Feeling crafty? Let's take it up a notch. Grab some wooden cutouts, acrylic paint, and waterproof sealant to create custom yard stakes that reflect your personal style. Whether you paint them in soft pastels or go bold with metallic gold and silver, a DIY touch makes your outdoor decor even more special. Plus, it's a fun weekend project for the whole family. Which Easter stake style do you love more? Classic pastels or bold, vibrant colors? Drop your choice in the comments below. And if you're loving these ideas so far, tap that like button. It really helps the channel grow. Next up, let's talk about outdoor Easter wreaths. A wreath is the ultimate way to welcome guests to your home. Here's how you can make one. Start with a grapevine wreath base. It's sturdy and perfect for outdoor use. Add faux spring flowers like tulips or daffodils for a fresh, seasonal look. Tie pastel ribbons around the wreath for a festive touch. Attach mini Easter eggs using hot glue or wire. Hang it on your front door and boom, instant curb appeal. For an extra touch, add a bunny figurine or a Happy Easter sign to the center of the wreath. Comment below and let me know if you'd like a full tutorial on this wreath. I'd love to hear from you. Your porch isn't just an entrance. It's the first impression of your home. So why not make it feel warm, festive, and absolutely unforgettable this Easter? Let's start with comfort and charm. Swap out your regular pillows for Easter-themed throw pillows. Think fluffy bunnies, watercolor eggs, and soft pastel patterns that instantly add a touch of springtime magic to your outdoor seating area. Pro tip: choose weather-resistant fabrics so your decor stays vibrant no matter the spring showers. Next, let's bring in some eye-catching decor. Hanging an egg garland across your porch railing or doorway is a simple yet stunning way to add festive flair. You can grab a pre-made one from stores, or if you love a good DIY project, string together plastic eggs, pastel ribbons, and fairy lights for a custom-made masterpiece. Now, let's set the scene with a welcoming touch. A charming bunny figurine near the entrance not only greets your guests, but also adds that classic Easter feel. Want to go bigger? Try a wooden bunny cutout or even a whimsical, oversized plush bunny for a playful statement. Extra festive tip: layering a spring-themed Easter doormat over a neutral outdoor rug creates a stylish, Pinterest-worthy entrance. And to complete the look, place a few potted spring flowers like daffodils, tulips, or hyacinths by your door, bringing in natural color and fresh scents. Loving these porch ideas? Hit that like button and share this video with a friend who needs Easter decor inspiration. Want to go big this Easter? Large outdoor Easter decorations are the way to go. Here are some ideas to make a bold statement. Giant inflatable bunnies or chicks are always a hit with kids and add a playful vibe to your yard. Oversized Easter eggs can be placed strategically around your lawn for a colorful, festive look. For a more traditional touch, consider a large decorative cross adorned with flowers or ribbons. Pro tip: if you're using inflatables, make sure to secure them properly so they don't tip over in the wind. And don't forget to add some solar-powered spotlights to highlight your decor at night. If you're enjoying these ideas, make sure to subscribe for more decor inspiration every week. Don't forget your lawn. Easter lawn decorations can be as simple or as elaborate as you want. Here's how to create a festive lawn. Use Easter egg cutouts made from plywood or foam board. Paint them in bright colors and scatter them across your lawn. Create bunny footprints using chalk or stencils to make it look like the Easter Bunny visited your yard. Set up a mini egg hunt area for the kids. Hide plastic eggs filled with treats and add signs like "Egg Hunt This Way." This is a great way to add some fun and interactivity to your decor, and it's perfect for families with little ones. Why should your porch have all the fun? Let's bring the Easter magic into your garden too. With just a few charming touches, you can turn your outdoor space into a whimsical spring wonderland. Start by tucking bunny or chick figurines among your plants. Imagine a little bunny peeking out from behind bright tulips or a tiny chick nestled next to a blooming daffodil. It's those small surprises that make your garden feel truly enchanted. Pro tip: choose weatherproof figurines so they stay looking fresh all season long. Next, let's get creative with egg-shaped planters. These aren't just adorable, they're a fantastic way to showcase spring flowers like pansies, petunias, or even mini daffodils. You can buy them pre-made or get crafty by repurposing large plastic eggs into DIY planters. To complete the look, add an Easter-themed garden sign or flag. Whether it's a cheerful hoppy Easter sign or a rustic wooden board with hand-painted eggs, this final touch brings everything together and makes your garden feel festive from every angle. Bonus tip: for extra charm, weave fairy lights through your plants. Your garden will glow beautifully in the evenings, adding a magical touch to your Easter decor. Which idea would you love in your garden? Bunny figurines or egg-shaped planters? Drop your favorite in the comments. And if you're loving these Easter ideas, give this video a thumbs up. Have you heard of the Easter egg tree trend? It's taking the USA by storm, and it's perfect for adding a whimsical touch to your outdoor space. Here's how to create your own. Choose a small tree or branch in your yard, or use a potted tree if you don't have one. Hang plastic or hand-painted Easter eggs from the branches using ribbons or strings. Add fairy lights for a magical glow at night. This trend is not only beautiful, but also a fun activity for the whole family. You can even make it a tradition to add new eggs each year. Would you try an Easter egg tree? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Why not take your Easter celebration outdoors with an Easter-themed picnic setup? This trend is perfect for families who want to enjoy the spring weather while staying festive. Lay out a pastel-colored blanket and add Easter-themed pillows for comfort. Use Easter baskets as centerpieces, filled with flowers, eggs, or treats. Add small decor elements like bunny figurines, egg garlands, or a mini Easter tree. This setup is not only Instagram-worthy, but also a great way to create lasting memories with your loved ones. And there you have it, 10 stunning outdoor Easter decor ideas to transform your home this spring. Which idea was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our weekly decor inspiration. Until next time, happy decorating and have a hoppy Easter.